Description: CMW3410 T10 Wedge Base T10 HP3 LED 1. LED miniature lamp, suitable for car, interior LED lighting, including vehicle rear lights, position lights, reading lights, and side lights. Designed with the T10 Wedge Base and HP3 LED, ensuring compatibility with various vehicle and industrial lighting applications. 2. High compatibility and non-polarity design. The CMW3410 LED bulb features a T10 Wedge Base, designed to be non-polar for 12 volts, 24 volts AC applications, allows for easy installation regardless of polarity, making it a versatile solution for multiple lighting systems. 3. High power and efficiency. Equipped with 9 high-quality SMD5050 LEDs, single bulb power consumption 1.0 W, providing enhanced brightness while maintaining energy efficiency. White luminous flux reaches 120 lumens, amber luminous flux reaches 90 lumens, improving visibility and lighting performance. 4. Wide voltage input, 10 to 30 V AC, DC. Supports 10 to 30 volt AC, DC, ensuring stable and reliable operation across various vehicle and industrial applications. The wide voltage design allows the bulb to adapt to fluctuating voltage conditions, enhancing durability and system compatibility. 5. Durable and long service life. Service life for 50,000 hours, significantly reducing maintenance and replacement costs. Manufactured using high-temperature solder paste and reflow welding technology, ensuring stable performance and long-lasting quality. 6. Voltage precautions. Before use, ensure the power supply voltage matches the LED bulb's design voltage to prevent damage or burnout. Each LED bulb has a voltage value marked on the base for easy reference. 7. Easy installation. Compact size, O25mm x W10mm, ensuring compatibility with most T10 Wedge Base socket applications. The base material is made of PC material for added durability. Please carefully check the bulb size and user manual before purchasing, or contact us for assistance.